Hey guys, my name is Jared Thompson. I'm the graphic designer here at Attach2, and I'm here with a few Attach2 staff to learn how the excavators work, but also the Attach2 equipment, and that in turn just gives us a much better understanding of the industry to work with our customers. So here today we've laid out an obstacle course for each staff member to operate the excavator and have a real go at using the attachment. We've built a handicap so that everybody, whether you've got thousands of hours using excavators or you're first time sort of guy like me, it makes the competition really fair. You'll see here that the guys have to take the machine, take it over the stockpile, drive the digger around the back, and then they've got to take 5 buckets and chuck them into the truck. From there they have to change attachments. That allows them to understand the hydraulics, how the buckets come on and off, and gives them a real understanding of our products that attach to, mainly the shore grip and how it operates. From there, they have to pick up the log, move the log across and chuck it onto the concrete blocks. And then if they really are feeling confident, they can pick up the rugby ball and chuck it into the hoop. This has been a great team building exercise for us, and this could benefit your business too.